how to use no, the possessive particle. So here we have the possessive particle no. And this is used in between two nouns to show a possessive relationship between two things. Like for example, watashi no namae. Watashi means I, namae means name. And what the not particle does in between these two nouns is it connects them together.
私の名前はジャッカス。よろしく。
And what it actually does is it adds information about the last noun. Like here, namae, name, whose name? Watashi no namae, my name. Literally the name of me.
そこに書いてあるのは私の名前。
So like here in Metal Gear Solid, my name is David. Or literally, the name of me is David.
俺の名前はデイビッドだ。オタコン。僕はハルだよ。
Like watashi no keitai, my phone.
あなた、勝手にあの人の携帯を。
いや、これは私の携帯だ。
Or watashi no inu, my dog.
俺の犬の名前は相撲。ペットの名前は相撲です。
Or like here in Valkyria Chronicles, we can see it being used more than once. The important thing to remember here is the first noun is kind of the head noun, and then the next thing that happens is connected to that main noun and it keeps going down and down the chain. So like in this example sentence, we are the people of Bruhl's Vigilante Corps. Literally, it would be, we are the people of the Vigilante group of Bruhl.
僕の名前はウェルキン。君たちは？
我々はブルールの自警団のものです。
Or like here in Death Stranding, this is my everyday, it is my way of living. So here again we can see it being used twice. Ima no watashi no ikikata da. So ima no, so the thing of now, watashi no, mine, ikikata, the way of living. So it's the way of living of mine now.
それが私の一日、今の私の生き方だ。
You can also see it being used in conjugation with other particles, like the e particle, to, so something e no michi for path would be the path of whatever comes before it, or the path to dun dun dun. We're adding information about the path and what kind of path it is. And remember that information about the path comes before the not particle.
何が見えますか？
槍川への道がよく見えるぞ。
武器を取れ。怒りを世にぶつけるがよい。さすれば暗黒面への道は完成する。
And sometimes that possession isn't so clear when you look at it in English, but it is when you think about it in Japanese. You're adding information about the noun. Something no hon for a book. This would express what kind of book it is. A book about, a book of, dun dun dun.
こんなところに何があるの？
魔法の本や。
本？これが魔法の本？
せや。
何があっても、その本には触るんじゃないぞ。絶対に。
Or like here, 知識, knowledge. What kind of knowledge? Well, that information is added before the not particle.
ねえ、やっぱり僕たちだけの知識じゃ無理だよ。父さんがいれば、錬金術を教えてくれたかな。
And you may actually see this not particle being used in many more ways other than just the possessive particle. So these are some completely different grammar points using the not particle. Like for example, you can use not as an indefinite pronoun, like a blue one, aoi no. If you want to know more information about that, check this video. It can also be used to turn verbs into nouns with verb no ga, dun dun dun. More information on that as well in this video. But there's some other ways that it's used that isn't even covered in the JLPT, but it's very frequent in media like video games and anime and manga, and even everyday speech. For example, the not particle can actually be used also to make a soft question.
あれ？でも、なんで雫さんがそのことを知ってるの？それで、二の国ってどうやって行くの？
助かったよ、レックス。
ありがとう。
僕のこと？僕のお手柄なの？
もちろんだ、レックス。いい動きだったぞ。
やったー！
さっきも言ってたわね。それは一体何なの？
And so when you use not to ask a soft question, that's actually gender neutral. However, when you make a statement ending in not, then this is actually a feminine emotional sentence ender. so this is mostly seen by feminine speakers. This is adding some sort of emotion about something, perhaps they're complaining or adding some emotion about a certain thing.
私はエルサを連れ戻したいの。そういう世界を私たちは作りたい。取り戻したいの。新薬、絶対に完成させたいの。
So just keep that in mind that you will see the not particle being used in ways beyond just the possessive particle, but here in the N5 level all you need to worry about really is just the not particle being used for possession. So you definitely get used to this not possessive particle over time the more and more you see it. It's a very fundamental piece of language, and as you can see, it's not always entirely clear when that possession is actually being expressed. And that's why sometimes it's nice to think of it literally, the something of dun dun dun. The teacher of University of Osaka. That way you can kind of clearly see the connection. When you translate it into English, sometimes that is lost. So if you're ever confused, just try and think of it that way. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you're enjoying learning Japanese. And as always, I will see you all again in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and come join us in the Game Genko Discord community, either through the Game Genko website or directly through Patreon. Thanks so much guys, and I'll see you all again next time. See ya.